The United States Air Force (USAF) is reportedly quietly designing, building, and piloting a future fighter jet prototype under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. This is a new fighter project after 20 years the U.S. Air Force has been working with the F-35. We have built and flown full-scale flight demonstrators and we are breaking records in doing so, USAF Acquisition Chief Will Roper told Defense News during the Air Force Association's Air, Space and Cyber Conference. Roper didn't have much to say in his conversation with Defense News other than to praise the mysterious new aircraft system. NGAD itself is a program that began in 2017 to explore mature technology and reduce risk through prototyping activities and continuous demonstration efforts. NGAD's objectives also include research for enhancements in survivability, lethality, and persistence for future USAF fighters. In the 2021 budget, the USAF collects funds of $1 billion Rp. $14.82 trillion, an increase compared to 2020, which amounted to $905 million Rp. $13.4 trillion. The program is expected to cost an additional $6.5 billion through 2025. The USAF announced their latest fighter aircraft shortly after the U.S. Navy also announced a new carrier-based fighter acceleration program.